Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show the navigation and use of the birthday report screen. The birthday report is a list that includes all the birth dates of debtors and patients in your practice. Recognizing and celebrating the birthday of a debtor or patient by sending them an SMS or email is a simple way to maintain a positive relationship. It can enhance patient engagement and show that the practice cares about the well-being of its patients. In this video, we will start on a diary screen. Click on a navigation wheel located on the navigation bar. Click on a communication segment. The switch history screen will open. Next, click on a CRM tab. The Build SMS email screen will open. Finally, click on a birthday report sub-tab. The birthday report screen will open. We will now take a look at the various fields and buttons within the screen. Click on a context filter drop-down menu. The context filter option will display all available filters. In contrast, the default filter option displays fewer options than the former, excluding fields like the from and to birthday date and a debtor account identifier. For the purposes of this video, click on a context filter option. Complete the necessary patient or debtor information for all the fields on which you want the filter to be based. Click Update Results to refresh the birthday report list and apply the latest filtering based on updated information. Click on the Reset Filters button to empty all the filter fields. Click on Active Patient slider to indicate the list to filter either active or inactive patients. Click on a Debtor Status drop-down menu and select the applicable option from the list. Once all information has been completed, click on the Update Results button. The birthday report screen will now generate according to the selected and completed filters. We will now take a quick look at the buttons located within the generated list. Click on a Select All button to check all the listed patients checkboxes, selecting them all. Click on an Expand Widths button to adjust the column width to display the entire text within each column. Click on the Reset Widths button to change the display on the list back to its default state. Columns on the report and list screens can be sorted in ascending or descending order, as well as specific rank order, by clicking on Sort Columns button. For more information on how to sort columns, please refer to the How to Sort Columns on Reports and List Screens user manual, linked in this video's description. Choose Column allows you to select the columns that you would like to see on a specific report or list screen. For more information regarding choosing columns, please refer to the How to Choose Columns or Report and List Screens user manual, linked in this video's description. Please note that from the birthday report screen, you are able to send bulk SMS messages or emails by selecting more than one patient or debtor. The birthday sidebar will open, with more options to perform on the specific debtor or patient. For more information on functions on the birthday report sidebar, please refer to the birthday report sidebar user manual, linked in this video's description. Lastly, the birthday report can be exported to a CSV file should you wish to print or save to your computer or open the form in an Excel format. Click on the Export to CSV button to export the file to save or print to your computer. Please note that in order to export to CSV, patients or debtors should be selected first from the list.